First, identify if your RAM 1500 key fob battery needs replacing. Common signs include the remote not working or only working intermittently. For 2010-2019 models, you'll likely encounter a CR2032 battery. To open the fob, use a plastic pry tool to gently separate the case halves at the seam, starting near the key blade. Avoid metal screwdrivers to prevent damage. A common issue is a stuck or hard-to-open case, often due to fragile plastic clips. Work carefully to avoid breakage. Applying gentle heat from a hairdryer can help soften the plastic if needed. Once open, you'll see the battery and internal components. Be sure to work on a clean surface to not lose any small pieces. With the fob open, remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the orientation with positive side up before removing. Clean any corrosion inside with a dry cloth. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces up towards the buttons. Snap the case halves back together firmly until you hear a click, ensuring the clip engages properly. Test the fob's functionality from a short distance. If it doesn't work, consult your owner's manual for reprogramming instructions, potentially involving cycling the ignition. If issues persist, consider OEM batteries and professional assistance, but cleaning contacts often fixes the problem after a battery replacement. Dispose of the old battery properly.